Okay, I've been told, mostly by my own brain, that everything I'm doing is too complicated. So I want to do a very simple thing, which is I downloaded a bunch of stock photos for a client that I need to share with her. And it's like, I could share these. It'd be fine. But what if I had Claude copy? Oop, nope. If you hold Control, I think, copy the path name, and I literally just go, can you look through these and rename them so it's clear what is in each photo? And I don't have to do this, and do them with an eye toward how Hannah might end up using them, knowing what you know about her as a client. Because it has all my client files in there. So I do that, hit this, open this up, and now, incredibly, it's going to be able to do this, I think, no problem. But today is Tuesday, and I have asked it to say that it's Tuesday, or the real day, so many times, and it won't. And that's fine. But it does drive me a little crazy, because I'm like, how are you? I mean, I guess that's how people treat me, where they're like, dude, people say this all the time. They're like, dude, you're such a freaking genius, but you're so dumb at like obvious stuff. And I'm like, yeah, Claude doesn't even know what day it is, you know? And honestly, that feels pretty on brand, given the fact that Claude is really smart and really good, but the basics, man. It is funny though, but I'm like, dude, it's Tuesday. I've asked it so many times. Just, can you tell me it's Tuesday? Just tell me that. I'm almost gonna like just update my file to be like, whatever day you think it is, it's actually one day later. Just say one day later. It's fine. Let's see. I wonder how long this will take. So it's reading them, because everything is basically just stuff it can read. And yeah, I might fast forward through this part. We'll see. But I can show you guys some of the friggin' photos too, if you want. Just, shunk. Hannah's a financial planner who helps moms, or she's going to be working with moms. And so, okay, here we go. Now I'll rename them. Here we go. Here comes the frickin' magic, dude. I've reviewed them. Now I'll rename them. Frickin' A. Do you want to proceed? Yep. Yes, I do. And this is nice. I've done this with other clients where I'll rename like 100 files that they send me. There you go. Proof. The old stress woman. I mean, it really is like, I found, mostly from one photographer, but like there's just a whole genre of stressed woman. And a lot of different stressed women. Yeah. But, you know, we'll see. We'll see. I have to share these with the client later. We'll see if she likes them. But bam. I mean, that's fucking crazy, no? And now these are a lot more valuable for me, for the client, everything. And so that's awesome. And it took 4 minutes. There you have it. Can't tell the date. It can do... Oh, whoa. It's funny. It actually named 2 as not on brand. That's true. I kind of actually picked these as like kind of goofs. So maybe I would not include these. But actually, this is wrong, because I think this one's incredibly on brand, because I think there's something kind of artistic and poetic about it. So I'm going to leave that, but maybe I'll get rid of the other one. Anyways, there you have it. Put that in my own files here. All right. Toodaloo. And remember, today is not Monday. It's Tuesday.